please do me the favour of subscribing, please. Subscribing really helps me out, and it helps me find new people and helps me create new content for my channel and find more dealerships and cars to review as well. She have a passion and lets me be able to review all these flash cars for you guys. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm reviewing this 2013 Holden VF Commodore SV6 Ute. So, let's get into it. So, this colour is red hot. It's got the blacked out front end. It's got the LFX badge. I'll tell you what that badge means when I move under the bonnet. It's got your halogen headlights, front fog lights. It's got your front parking sensors. It's got the Holden badge in chrome. Little bit of paint missing here. And most importantly, this is red, and red goes fast. Notice the black is faded too. Look at it from here, as you can see. It's got the black fender vents. First alloy wheel. There are plenty of tread left in the tyres. Bit of gutter rash on this wheel. It's $26,990, so it's for sale as well. Up here is faded. Here too is faded, and here. It was built 13th of September 2013. It's got your genuine Holden carpet mats. Decent sized glove box. I have a good amount of room in the front, as you can see. Door pockets. That's the door card, as you can see. Here is all scratched. Little bit of paint missing. Oh, it's not paint. Up here is all scratched though. And here too. It's the SV6. There's a good amount of room in the tray. Here is your 3.6 litre V6 engine, which creates 210 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque. Cool. It's the LFX engine, but it's not the best 6. I have the best 6 already reviewed on my channel if you want to go and check it out. This is the full review for the best 6. Please make sure you go and check that video out. Thank you. And my true fact, Holden built the best V8s and Ford built the best 6s. Right, now we move to the driver's seat. It's got a full-way electric driver's seat. Holden carpet mats. You've got one key, as you can see. Lock, unlock, remote start, alarm, one flip key. Starts first go. Yes, this car doesn't have the best 6, but it's still ultra reliable, which is a good thing. And it's easy to modify so you can make it the best 6. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Round here, it's got your blind spot alert. Central locking. I'll give you an example with the central locking. Say for example, you are in a city like Brisbane and you are in a traffic jam. You can lock the car from the inside so you feel safer from someone trying to break in. It's got your also headlights. Let's test the build quality. Horn works. I give the build quality a 7 out of 10. So it's got the menu. So 220 kilometers left of fuel. Kilometers up. 94,845. This one tells you your speed. This car has 6 airbags for your protection and curtain airbags as well. Next service isn't due until 120,000 or the 17th of August 2023. There's a bit of wear on the steering wheel. It's got very smooth power steering. Come in here, it's got your dual zone electronic climate control. So I'm on low and my passenger is on 21. You can adjust the fan speed, direction of air, CD player for those people who still like CDs, rear vision mirror, overhead console, your map reading lights, bit of storage here, two decent sized cup holders, 12-volt socket here, still more storage here. It's got your electronic parking brake. So to release that, you put your foot on the brake, press it down, then to engage it, you pull this up. Carbon fibre dash spears, bit of piano black here, carbon fibre around the gear stick, your carbon fibre door spears as well. Good look at the seat trim. Seats are in a half cloth, half leather, as you can see. It's got this leatherish strip in the middle. It's kinetic suede finish with your leather bolsters with white stitching. This is your leather gear knob. So you can drive the car as a normal auto, or you can flick it across into sports shift. And it comes up there too when I put it in sport mode. Your reversing camera too tells me I'm very close to what's behind me. Park assist too. Put that back in park. So I'll get an example of the sound system for you.
Please say a command.
FM Zinc 96.1.
Did you say FM 96.1? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Tuning to 96.1 FM.
So it's got AM, FM, navigation in this one. Cool. If you wanted navigation, you had to go for the Storm if you wanted navigation, but this one's got it. Cool. Pandora, which is no longer available in Australia. Stitcher, DVD, USB, AUX. Rear AUX, destination, quick info. Address entry, points of interest, previous destinations, address book, phone book, selects from map, my home, favourite routes. I won't do it with voice control, but you can key in a destination or the previous destinations. And it's got live traffic updates too. In here, you've got 12-volt sockets, USB, AUX. Behind the seats, you've got some storage behind the seats as well. So you can put a laptop behind there or any of your magazines. Give a quick look at the LED daytime running lights, then I'll end the video. Those are the LED daytime running lights, as you can see. It's also got this feature called remote start. So how that works is you press the lock button twice, press the circle button in, and car starts. All you do now is unlock the car, put that key in, and then you are away. Right, This is Jordan's car reviews. And please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Please also like and share and comment. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.